Hello, for those of you who don't remember who I am, my name is D. Chris Scott. You can call me Chris. I was a teacher and former principal in Columbus City Schools and a sub-principal in Toledo Public Schools. And for some of you, I was your instructor for EDAS 4090, teaching as a profession, administration, organization, and policy in schools at Bowling Green State University in Ohio. If you notice in the background, I'm in a very busy and sometimes loud location. I am a social science researcher. My area of emphasis is critical race studies and perceptions and images of black males. Just like my surroundings, the social science arena is busy with phenomena that has yet to be studied. I am just months away from earning a doctorate of education in leadership studies from Bowling Green State University in Ohio. My dissertation emphasis is reporting the psychometric properties of the instrument that I have created to examine educator perceptions of African American males. It is called the Public Educator Perception of African American Males Survey, pre-K-12. Part of the process is examining evidence of validity for content and construction. The survey will take you approximately 10 minutes to go through or to complete. Please go through each of the questions. Don't worry, you don't have to complete the survey. At the very end is the most important part. You will be asked to give me critical feedback to make the survey better. As you go through the questions, please have a critical eye for any areas wherein it could be made better. I consider you to be an expert contributor for this research study. So with the following goals in mind, please be prepared to answer these questions. Do the topic areas represent perceptions of African American males in pre-K-12 public schools? Were the directions clear? Are questions easy to understand? Is the format of the survey user-friendly? Is the amount of time to complete the survey reasonable? Or are there any other comments or feedback that you wish to provide to make the survey better or more user-friendly? Listen, I want to thank you in advance for helping me to make this study the very best that it could be. Thank you again, and again, be looking for the results of our study, and I appreciate you for your participation.